Garvin Industries' new concrete slab assembly is one complete unit. As you can see, it has a pre-installed gasketed cover to prevent any leakage of concrete. We've removed the side knockouts and pre-installed set screw connectors with the set screw facing up so you have access to them from the top of the deck. In addition to this, we've pre-installed a ground wire on the inside and added additional lock nuts on all the internal connectors. To install this product, it installs like any other concrete slab assembly. You simply screw the box to the form using the mounting tabs at the bottom, but what's different is this box comes complete with rubber plugs, so when you don't use one of the conduit raceways, you simply push the plug in place and it creates a nice concrete tight, watertight seal, and then you can install your conduit and lock it down where you need to. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.